Welcome to Map Content Management. Now we are going to talk a little bit about how to change a map. So we here see some nodes, we see edges, we see some node type here. We have general knowledge, we have some questions, we have ideas, we have arguments, and we also see authors of the nodes. So this is like in general what we see here, and we can first navigate through the map to select the nodes that we are going to work with, or see it, or change it. We can do it just by clicking on each node, or with arrow keys. Just going left, right, left to the beginning. And if you go to the right, and then to the right, and left, down, right. When we are on some node, no, we don't want this now. But when we are on some node, we see a halo around it with some different kind of options available for this node. First, we can edit this node, change its contents, saying, and then click anywhere else, and then this is saved. We can click it again and then select it. If you want to change it again, then click this edit, like this pencil, and click again anywhere else if we don't want to change it. Then we can click it, select it again, and add new node by clicking on plus. So let's see, and then we can immediately begin typing, and then click anywhere else just to be saved. If we are not happy with this node, we can delete it. Are we sure? Yes, we are. The node is deleted. If let's say we don't want to see this node, this is disturbing us, just is too much noise of it, or too much information here, we can close it by clicking on this upper part, or even here, close and open again. Close. So the map is changing to suit our needs. And let's say that we want to add some argument here, because we are working while someone else is also working. We want to add some argument. So the one thing is that we see here, we can set settings, choose settings, and then choose type of node. So we have here, we have added question, then some idea, what's collective mind, then some ideas, and then some arguments. Let's say that we want to add on, now we are user Sinisha here, but let's say that we want to comment on the topic that Sasha put here. So let's say that we want to choose a comment, and then we close it or click here, anywhere on the right. Then when we click for this selected node on its plus, the next is going to be added a comment. So actually we didn't want to add comment, so we delete this node. Yes, we wanted to add some argument actually. So I will go back to the settings, left menu, and choose arguments. That's actually what I wanted. And close, and then here, add arguments. So and then let's say that we want to send a request to a moderator of this dialogue, online dialogue, that we want to add some request, some replica to the node. So that then what facilitator, mediator know that we want to talk more about this topic. So you can just press it and this bell, and you can require some attention from the mediator. And as we can see here, we have some bubbles here. These bubbles are actually votes. Up above there are votes of us, and below are total votes. So if we click here, we'll have, like on upper, if we click on upper, then we vote up. We vote up more. Yes. And here, let's say, oh, we vote up 2. So this is 2 of our votes, total 4. So somebody else voted with 2 votes. Or if you don't want it down, we just click on the below. So it's just back 2 and 4, like here. So this is -1, our -1 and total -1. So regarding management of nodes, I'd say that this is all. But you can also see here that you can hide node types that you don't see, that don't disturb you. Some other issues, like you can manual view, and then you can change, drag around everything. And if you're not happy with that, you can drag it again, or just choose tree view again, filtering not to focus on now. And as we said, this is really most important, where you choose which type of node you're going to add, the new one. This is all for now. Thank you. See you on the course, on the workshop.